Hello team, let us get started with the tutorial. Step 1. Log in with your email ID or mobile number. Access it by logging into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up by providing your email address and mobile number. Step 2. Once you have successfully logged in, select your profile name. Mine is Animesh Kumar. Step 3. Select Profile. Complete all the personal details on your dashboard profile. Now click on Save. To change your account, select your profile name and click on Settings. Choose the Account Setting option from the drop-down menu. Modify the settings using the available options. To start updating the fee structure, select your profile name and click on Appointment Fee Settings. Modify the fee structure using the available options. To change the template, select a template of your choice from the available options. You can either customize the template by choosing from the available options or create a new template based on your preferences. To determine the reason for your patient's visit or to modify the reason for your patient's visit, click on your profile name, followed by Settings, and then select the Reason for the Visit option from the drop-down menu. To create a form, click on your profile name, followed by Settings, and then choose the Notes and Forms option from the drop-down menu. You can either customize the template by choosing from the available options or create a new template based on your preferences. To view the consent forms, click on your profile name, go to Settings, and select Consent Form from the drop-down menu. You can either customize the template by choosing from the available options or create a new template based on your preferences. To add bank details, click on your profile name, go to Settings, select Bank Details from the drop-down menu. Add your bank details. Click on the Save option to save your changes. To share your profile link, click on your profile name. Go to Settings, select General Settings from the drop-down menu. Copy your profile link from the profile URL field. Share the link with the desired recipient. To create patients, appointments, or recruiting appointments, click on Create and select Create Patient from the drop-down menu. Fill up the necessary details and then click on Save. To view your calendar, click on the Calendar option located on the left-hand side of the screen. To add a new appointment or open slots, select the day you are free to schedule a meeting or an appointment. Then click on Add Open Slots. Select the time and days you are available, and finally click Save to confirm. Once you have an available slot, you can create an appointment as well as check the appointments. To view your appointments and their details, click on the Appointments option that is located on the left-hand side of the screen, then select the Scheduled option. To initiate a video call with your patient, click on the Video Call option. You can invite your patients to the video call by emailing them the invite link. During the call, you will have access to the notes and prescriptions you have written for the patient. To evaluate a patient, click on the Evaluation option to begin documenting your assessment. To create a prescription, tap on Medication. You will be able to see the medication option in the center of the screen. Now tap on Add Medication. Next, choose a medication that you want to prescribe to the patient. To expedite this process, you can also use the speech-to-text feature to speak and have the content automatically typed for you. Select a medicine from the list or by entering the name of the medication manually. You can search for a specific medication by entering its name. Type the dose regimen, days, and medicine instructions for the prescription. Save the prescription, then click on Manage. You will find the Manage option above the medication. To print or download medication, tap on Download Medication. To view your income report, click on the report to open it, and begin viewing your income details. To write notes, first, click on the Notes option located on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, tap on Create Notes to begin writing a new note. You can then select a template that best fits your needs from the available options. Once you have chosen a template, select the patient for whom you are writing the notes from the drop-down menu. Once you have completed your notes, make sure to save them before exiting the screen. This will ensure that your notes are stored and accessible for future reference. Thank you for your patience and kindness during the tutorial. I hope that the steps provided were helpful and that you have a better understanding of our software. With these tools, I am confident that you will be able to use the software seamlessly. Once again, thank you for your time and cooperation.